Hearing Health Foundation wants you to protect your ears to keep listening.
Let's go. What is your favorite sound?
My favorite sound? The waves hitting against the beach.
My favorite is actually to hear people talk.
I really like birds, and I love waking up to them.
Which of the 3 following events can be dangerously loud? A concert, a football game, or a monster truck rally?
All of them.
Ding, 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 ding! Hearing Health Foundation wants you to play a game of Did You Know?
Okay.
Did you know that hearing loss is permanent?
No, I thought it was reversible. No.
True or false? Untreated hearing loss is linked to dementia?
False.
True.
True. Okay.
Did you know that turning down the volume by just 3 decibels can lower the risk of hearing loss by half?
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Good to know, right?
It's great to know.
To keep listening, visit hhf.org.